Alright, so we're back for the second tutorial for doing your upholstered stool. In this tutorial we're going to assemble half of the upholstered stool together. So at the bottom here you can see that I've opened up and I have three parts: my side rails, my legs, and my cross rails. So I'm just going to come up to the top here and I'm going to go new, and from new I'm going to do assembly. Starts off fresh, and I'm going to place. And in this case, so you can see my parts, I'm going to grab the legs first and I'm going to put two legs in, because we're only going to do half of this, and otherwise it gets too confusing with so many parts. And place, and I'm going to put my side rails in, and again I'm going to put two of those in, so I'm just going to move them kind of over here. Alright, so if I scroll out a bit, you can take this part here. You see I can't move it. If I click this part, I can move it. So this is the grounded part, and you know it's grounded because there's a little pin right there. It means it can't move. Okay, so that's my base part. So I'm going to start with constraining as usual. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this, and I'm going to start with constraining to the top of this edge here, and I want it to go the other way around. And we go apply. Okay, and then I'm gonna, well, it's kind of hard to see right now, so I'm gonna go here, shading with edges. Kind of got a bit of an edge there. You can see it there. There we go. Okay, so we're just gonna adjust or join or constrain that one to that one. Okay, and I'm just gonna put 0 here and go apply. And then the last one, I'm just going to take this right now, I'm getting out, and you can see it's constrained almost to the end, just not to the ends yet. So again, constrain, and zoom into here, click that one, spin around, click this one, and you can see mine's just popping off. I got some weird thing happening in mine. Set it to 0 and go apply. So there's the first thing constrained. Okay, so now I'm up to, oops, and did I actually do the right one? Let's just see, what did I constrain? I constrained this part here. Let's hit escape. That part's our side rail. Yeah, that part's our leg. Yeah, okay, I did it right. Okay, if I click on this one, that's my other leg. So I'm just going to pull my leg over here so I do this right. Alright, so constrain again. And I'm going to start with the top surfaces. You can see they're nowhere near each other. That one surface there to that surface there. And I can click apply. And then it's going to be this surface here to this surface here. And whoops, again, I got to hit 0 on mine. Apply. And then finally, I just go this one here to this one here, and I gotta hit 0 as well. Okay, so there's the third, or there's the next part done, and you can see actually mine up here, because I got those numbers keep coming in, I keep messing up here. So I'm gonna hit cancel. And what I'm gonna do is go to the second leg, and you can see right here it says flush and it's 0.059. I'm pretty sure that should have been 0. So I just gotta put a 0 in there. Click OK, and you can see it moves it up or moves it down. Alright, so we're up to the last piece now. So this is my side rail. So this time I'm going to constrain, and I'm going to go right away to this edge, and that edge has got to go to an end. So we'll just do that one. So that puts that one in place, and go apply. And then this one, I'm going to constrain this one and this one together, and that should be 0, and apply. And then the last one, I just want to distance up. So from the bottom up, what I'm doing is simply putting it in place. So what we can do is grab from here to here, and instead of go there, now what we can do is we can set that one up. And I believe that one, if I'm not mistaken, is 2.5 up, not 2 1/4, so 2.5. Okay, and you can see it went the wrong way, so I'm just going to go minus 2.5. and apply it, and there we go. So there is half of our stool put together. And what I'm going to do is stop there, and we'll go on to the last half and assembling two sides. And actually, before I do that, we're going to go save. And in this case, it's an assembly, and I'm going to call this stool. There we go. Good enough. Okay, and if I can spell half in there, let's try that again. Half stool. There you go. Save. So this concludes this tutorial.